This is the Crucible. Thanks for watching. Today we are talking about the dark side of precious metals. There's one topic that's quite interesting. This is the price manipulation allegations, right?
Sure.
So here's the controversy is that there have been allegations of price manipulation in the precious metals market, particularly with gold and silver. And some believe that the prices are influenced by larger financial institutions and that they benefit their interests. So, Pauly, you've heard of this before, I take it?
I've heard it a lot.
All right.
And I realistically, dude, I don't pay much attention to it because what is the value of the metal?
Depends on the metal, like, I don't know, $2,000
Okay.
or it's
Let's just call it silver. Well, what is the value of a 1 ounce silver eagle, right?
yeah,
What is the value? Right. What is the value of it? Realistically, it's $1 because it's right here in the United States. Right now, there's only so many people that know the actual value of that silver. I could go walk the streets of Caseville, Michigan, and ask somebody what this is worth, and they look at it and they'll say $1. They'd be right, but they don't know that it actually holds a physical price, right? That whatever it is right now, it's like $23, $22.50 something probably, but it's only worth what somebody is willing to either pay you for it or trade you for it. Right. I mean, that's the value of it. So again, with all these price manipulations, you see these videos on YouTube constantly for clicks. It's a controversy. That's all it is. It's shitty that we have to continuously hear about it. You know what I'm saying?
Right. No, you're right. The manipulations more so on the paper market.
Yes.
And these regulatory bodies, they're continuously monitoring the markets for any signs of these manipulations. And, skepticism persists amongst the investors as to whether or not it's even happening. But there are case studies on it. Like, for instance, in 2016, Deutsche Bank was accused of engaging in manipulative trading practices where they were influencing and fluctuating the prices of gold and silver. I believe it's called spoofing, if I'm not mistaken. And it's where they put an order in, and before they execute the order, let's say it's a massive order, right? And then that causes silver or gold, in whatever case, it causes it to go up. And then what they end up doing is they retract the order and then they sell. And right away they're catching that, that uptick and then a big tank, right? Everything tanks.
Cupping the stick or catching the uptick and then it tanks. They've made their money and got out.
Right. And so JP Morgan has been accused of doing this as well. And the interesting thing is when they get fined,
there you go.
They can get fined $150 million, let's say, by what would it be? The Federal Trades Commission, FTC, something like that.
Yeah.
So they'd get fined, let's say 150 million, but they made a couple billion on that trade. So, is it really anything more than a slap on the wrist, or is there anything punitive that's stopping them from continuing to do it?
Well, look at the top. Look, leave that up. Look at your top quote there from Kitco News, May 6th of 2019. Gold price being manipulated should be $2,900. Hesner, uncensored. Okay. That was 2019. 2019, they're telling us gold should be $2,900. Gold's all-time high hit in 2023, just above what, 2,100?
Yep.
And it's, well, where are they at now? If this is what they're saying in 2019, here it's 2024. Gold hit its all-time high in 2023. What should it be at now?
I couldn't even tell you. Who knows? Who knows?
That's the goofy stuff that just I don't, I guess, pay attention to it.
Well, if you look at the third article headline, it says former JP Morgan trader pleads guilty to the manipulating.
Guilty.
Yep. Yeah. So he said he did it. And again, that's kind
of years, manipulating the market for years.
Right.
Back in 2018.
And that's what led to fines coming into JP Morgan. But honestly, if you're making trades, in the order of billions, what's 100 million?
What's a few fine? I mean, that's okay. Here's the fines. Okay, here's the money. We're sorry. We're just going to continue doing it. We're going to continue doing it. We're going to figure out what we did wrong. We're going to do it again, and then hopefully we don't get caught. And if we do get caught, here, take a little bit of the profit with you. That's fine. It's sad. It's sad. It is.
Check out the full episode on the Crucible Podcast. Link in the description below.